All right, let's talk about something tiny. No, not your mate Dave's crypto portfolio. I mean 1 gram silver bars. They're small, shiny, and apparently affordable, but are they actually worth it? Oh, and stick around because I've got a way for you to get £10 of free silver just by clicking my link. Let's be fair, these things look cool. They're great for gifts, entry-level stackers, and for people who like to carry their wealth around like it's Monopoly money. Plus, it feels good to own silver, even if it's a piece smaller than a postage stamp. It's like stacking, but on a diet. Now, here's the kicker. You're paying around £3 to £5 for 70p worth of metal. That's like buying a pint and only getting 1 sip. Nobody wants that. Sure, the premiums on these things are insane, but if it gets somebody stacking, maybe it's not the worst thing. Just don't fill your entire stack with these things, unless you enjoy overpaying for things. In that case, I've got some magic beans to sell you. Okay guys, I need your input. Are 1 gram silver bars worth it? Are they genius or garbage? Have you ever bought one? Let me know in the comments what you think about these bars. Now, if you're thinking, I want to get some silver, but I don't want to get robbed by the premiums, good news. If you click on the link below, there's this app called Whatnot. And using my link, you can get £10 free credit, which can help you buy some silver to add to your stack. Check it out in the description. Treat yourself to some free silver, you deserve it. Also, a lot of the main sellers do giveaways on their live streams during the auctions, so you can also pick up a lot of 1 grams for free if you're lucky. If you laughed, learned, or questioned your stacking choices today, hit that like button. Subscribe for more silver talk, stacking tips, and terrible jokes. And finally, remember, whether you're stacking ounces or milligrams, the real value is in starting. See you in the next one.